Hi guys, welcome to this week's special episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. This week I have decided to pick my top 5 DIY wedding videos that I would recommend to anyone and everyone. They range from our bouquets to a centerpiece to an aisle runner, just the top 5 must-haves or the must-dos, especially if you are a planner and you are building your storehouse of centerpieces and aisle runners, because we are having a lot of time to do that at this moment. So I wanted to just share and remind you guys of these videos. We've put the links to all the videos so you can go right to them. They're going to be on a special playlist to lead you right over there to them, so you can have all of the links for all the supplies that you will need to make them. And you can start getting those creative juices flowing to when you can get back out there and continue to create the weddings and events of your dreams. Remember, if you have any questions or any concerns or just want to talk about these projects, be sure to comment in the comment section right down there below. If you just want to give us words of encouragement, we can always use that. Words of encouragement are so important, not only in life period, but especially at this current time. So I want you guys to take a look at these. Some of you may not have seen them because we have so many videos online. Some of them may already be your favorites, and they may give you some inspiration on how you can change them and make them your own. If you would like, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you have not signed up for your Rakuten rebate account, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. It was formerly known as Ebates. We use it here at Miss Planet. You simply go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your Rakuten account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. In addition to that, please be sure to check out our MissPlanIt'Shop.com store so that you can get the DIY planning guides that you need to create the events, weddings of your dreams. It's very simple. Just sign on, find the planner you like, purchase it, and it's available to you immediately as a digital download. And you've been noticing our beautiful custom designed flowers, roses, that we are so excited to present to you. If you want to know when they're available, click on that link and sign up for the newsletter, and you will get a special notification the moment they become available for your purchase. As always, it was a pleasure hanging out with you. We always want to thank you because you have so many options here on YouTube, and we just appreciate you choosing to spend that time with us. So, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.